Namaskar. A cyclonic circulation has formed over central part of Andaman Sea today. Under its influence, a low pressure area is likely to form over east central Bay of Bengal around 21st of October. Then the low pressure area would move northwestwards and intensify into a depression around 23rd October over central parts of Bay of Bengal. Thereafter also it will continue to move northwestwards. Under its influence, squally weather conditions are likely to prevail over Andaman Sea and adjoining areas over Andaman Nicobar Islands till 21st of October. Squally weather and squally wind conditions will prevail over central parts of Bay of Bengal during 22nd to 24th October. Wind speed could be 35 to 45 km per hour, gusting to 55 km per hour on 22nd. It will increase, becoming 45 to 55 km per hour, gusting to 65 km per hour on 23rd and 24th over central Bay of Bengal. The same wind speed is expected over North Bay of Bengal adjacent to Odisha, West Bengal and Bangladesh coast on 24th and 25th. The sea condition will be rough till 21st over North Andaman Sea and adjoining areas. It will be rough to very rough during 22nd to 24th over Central Bay of Bengal, rough to very rough over North Bay of Bengal during 24th and 25th. Therefore, we have advised the fishermen not to venture into Andaman Sea till 21st, into Central Bay of Bengal during 22nd to 24th, and North Bay of Bengal 24th and 25th. The fishermen, those who are out at sea, should return to the coast by 21st of October. The onshore and offshore activities, shipping activities should be regulated till 25th. The tourists moving towards Andaman Islands till 21st should take care, especially while moving towards the sea, because sea condition will be rough. Under the influence of the expected depression, there will be impact along the coastal areas of North Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, West Bengal and Bangladesh with gradual increase in wind speed. Maximum wind speed will be around 24th and 25th. The rainfall activity will commence along and off North Andhra Pradesh, Odisha and West Bengal coast on 23rd with occurrence of isolated heavy rainfall activity. The intensity of rainfall will increase on 24th and 25th, especially over Odisha and West Bengal coastal districts and adjoining interior districts with possibility of heavy to very heavy rainfall at a few places. The system is being monitored continuously. A regular update will be provided on daily basis. At present, we have not predicted the track or path of the expected depression and its maximum intensity. Once the low pressure area forms on 21st, we will provide the possible track and intensity in terms of wind associated with the depression or its possible intensification. We will also indicate the time of occurrence of landfall and the place of landfall with the formation of low pressure area over East Central Bay of Bengal around 21st. Please follow India Meteorological Department for regular update on this possible low pressure system and its intensification and impact over the coastal areas and the sea areas. Please take care and we will update you again on daily basis. Thank you.